structures, also known as Lewis dot diagrams, are diagrams that show the bonding between atoms of a molecule and the lone pairs of electrons that may exist in the molecule. They get their name from Gilbert N. Lewis. A Lewis structure can be drawn for any covalently bonded molecule. They are like electron dot diagrams because the valence electrons and lone pairs are represented as dots, but they contain lines to represent the shared pairs in a chemical bond. Covalent molecules are made from bonding at least two nonmetals, and they share electrons. We are going to be looking at the covalent molecule of C2H6, 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen, more commonly known as ethane. Ethane is a chemical compound with the chemical formula of C2H6. A standard temperature and pressure, ethane is colorless, odorless, and a gas. Ethane is isolated on an industrial scale from natural gas and as a byproduct of petroleum refining. So in this diagram you can see the 2 carbon have bonded with the 6 hydrogen. Carbon has 4 valence electrons and hydrogen has 1. Each of these electrons shares with the other one. So there would be 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. They're represented by lines. Polyatomic ions are chemicals in which atoms fill their octet with electrons by using both covalent and ionic bonding. Polyatomic covalent ions use only the covalent bonding process. We are going to be looking at the polyatomic ion of IO3. That is iodine and 3 oxygen. Iodine has 7 valence electrons. Oxygen has 6. Iodate is a conjugate base of iodic acid. In the iodate anion, iodine is bonded to 3 oxygen atoms with the molecular formula of IO3. As you can see again, there are 2 lines where there are 2 bonds and 1 line where there is 1. Since there's an extra atom or electron, there's a negative sign by this O over here. Here's my works cited page. The end.